The Earth's hum, 174 hertz. 174 hertz is a special sound. It is a low, deep frequency. Some people say it is like the Earth humming. This frequency might help us feel calm. It could be because it is close to the Earth's natural vibrations. When we listen to 174 hertz, we may feel more grounded. It can be like feeling the Earth below our feet. This sound might also help our bodies relax. It may ease tension and stress. Long ago, people used sound for healing. They may have used sounds like 174 hertz. These sounds were part of ceremonies and rituals. People believed they could bring balance and peace. Today, we can still use sound to feel better. 174 hertz can be like a bridge to the past. It reminds us of the Earth's natural power, and it might help us find our own inner peace. Our bodies are full of energy. Sometimes this energy gets blocked. This can make us feel tense, stressed, or in pain. 174 hertz might help release these blocks. When the energy flows freely, we feel better. We feel lighter, calmer, and more relaxed. Listening to 174 hertz can be like a gentle massage for our bodies. Try listening to 174 hertz and see how it makes you feel. You can find it online or on special apps. Find a quiet place where you can relax. Close your eyes and just listen to the sound. Let the sound wash over you. Imagine it flowing through your body, releasing any tension. You might be surprised at how good it makes you feel.